everyone, check out this table. It's in excellent condition. It just needs a really good wipe down, and then we'll get started with our chalk paints. Gonna paint these green table legs with Katja's Eclipse. As you can see, I not only completed my original table that I was working on, I completed 3 other pieces. My client saw this once I finished it and commissioned me to do a matching set for her office. I can't wait to see it and how she displays this work. I just added a touch of shine with Galactic Halo. I did the same thing on all of these pieces. I went through one by one, I sanded them down where they needed sanding, I bondoed where it needed bondoing, I gave it thorough cleansing, and then I started painting, and I just did the same thing all over each piece of furniture. I used up all this matching set of transfer design. So it was really nice to be able to bring all of this together. It was really fun to be able to work on all of this and create a matching set. Can't wait to see what it looks like in my client's office. Let me know in the comments below. Is this your style of furniture, or do you like something a little more funky? This is very bold, very striking, and very clean as well, with just a touch of beauty with these flowers, making everything kind of come to life. So let me know. What do you think in the comments below? Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.